Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to use flag by bash script on Oracle Linux 9.2. Handling flag in bash script allow user to customize the script's behavior and provide the great flexibilities and usabilities. The getouts command is suitable for handling short option while an extend approach enable handling both short and long option. First I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next I am going to create a script file using your favorite editor. Here I am using Vim editor. Add the following script in this file. First line should be shebang command. Now save and exit from the file. Next I am going to give the executable file permission to the script file by using the below command. Next to check the executable permission by listing the directory. Executable file permission is set. Next to run the script with the L option, -L option, and the script print on the strings is set in the corresponding case. It prints Linux config. Now run the script print on the screen. We set in the corresponding case. This is also what happens if we provide the -H option. Now next run. Now try to call the script with the -A option as said above. This option requires a argument fail if the letter is not provided. Again run the script with the option A as said above. This option required a argument and will execute if the letter is provided. This is the process to create a script using flag by bash script on Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.